Hello everyone, I am Nihil Jaiswal and I'm excited to introduce you to my major project DigiBazar. Now, DigiBazar is a complete e-commerce platform that combines warehouse management, B2B commerce, and a strong seller community all in one place. Now, what does exactly DigiBazar do? As you know, managing an online business isn't very easy. Seller had to struggle with a lot of things like inventory mismanagement, delayed shipment, poor customer engagement, and etc. things, which makes it very hard to grow. Plus, most of the platform just focuses on B2C sales, leaving wholesalers and suppliers with very few options. That's why I have made DigiBazar. To- Now, DigiBazar is a platform which simplifies stores management, improve inventory tracking, supports bulk B2B orders, and connects seller and customer through a vibrant community. Now, this project took me countless of hours of brainstorming and designing, and now after weeks of hard work, it is finally done. So I'm very excited to showcase what DigiBazar can do. So to make the first impression engaging and dynamic, I built this 3D landing page using 3JS. So as you can see, if I drag this and move my cursor, you can move this and you can see there is a man in the warehouse. So this symbolizes the main functionality of DigiBazar, that is warehouse management. So these are our services, and this is the overall landing page, which is quite modern. Now let's talk about what are the features of DigiBazar, what DigiBazar can do. So the first and the most important feature of DigiBazar is store creation and customization. With DigiBazar, anyone can create a fully functional e-commerce website within minutes, no coding required. The second feature of DigiBazar is smart inventory and warehouse management. Managing stock across multiple warehouses can be challenging, but DigiBazar makes it effortless. It automatically tracks stock level, preventing overselling, and also notify you about low stocks. The third feature of DigiBazar is order and shipment management. Once an order is placed, seller can assign a warehouse, generate a tracking ID, and update delivery status. Fourth feature is B2B marketplace for bulk order. DigiBazar isn't just for small businesses. It built for wholesaler too. Seller can set up custom price tier for for bulk buyers, make large transactions simple and efficient. And the fifth and final feature of DigiBazar is a community for seller and buyer. E-commerce isn't just selling; it's about connecting. DigiBazar includes community section where seller and buyer can discuss trend, share insights, and support each other. Now that I have explained the key feature, I will also give you a live demonstration of how DigiBazar actually works. First, take a look at the About section. So this is our About page where you can get all the information regarding DigiBazar, like what are the core values and and our vision. You can contact me from here, and these are our services, how DigiBazar actually work, and our technology stack. So this is the About section. You can get any information about DigiBazar from here. So yeah, now let's take a look at other section. So if I click on shop, I can see three things: store, inventory, wholesale, and there is also community page. So currently I'm logged in. So just let me log out from this account. Now I'm logged out. So let's click on inventory now. So when I clicked on inventory, it shows me this. Uh, Obviously, because there is no user, so there shouldn't be any inventory available. So when I click on launch app, it will take me to the store page. Here I can see all the stores of the users, like other stores of other users. I can order any product from there if I'm logged into. And there is an option of create your store. So if I click on create your store, it will redirects me to the login page. Now, I don't want to log in into an existing account right now. I would rather create a new one. So let's create a new account. Um, so let's create a new account now. So for creating a new account, we just need to fill all this required fields. So like for example, username I would give dg user, uh, Gmail email would be this, and a strong password is required and a good profile pic. So I'll choose this. Okay. And country should be India. And these two fields are optional. Now, when I click on get verification code, it will send an OTP to my mail, and then I have to confirm that OTP, and then I would able to sign in. So let's click on get verification code. It will take some time. So the OTP is sent to my mail now. So I will just open my mail now. So this is the OTP. I will just copy this and paste it here and click on verify and create account. So my account is created now successfully. Now I'm logged in. So let's see the real power of DigiBazar. Now I have access to store, inventory, wholesale. So now if I click on inventory, it still shows me this because I don't have any store right now. To activate the inventory, I need to make a store. I need to create a store. So I will just click on launch app and create your store. Now this is the create your store option. So I have several things here: store name, store URL, store description. So let's go with uh, DG store. Okay. Short description. So basically you need to add uh, what you sell and regarding like all the information about your store. So for example, I sell t-shirts, right? So I will write something like we sell best quality of t-shirts, hand printed, funky, something like that. Okay. Now I need to choose a category. So let's choose uh, fashion and a store logo. The store logo is required. So let's give it a store logo. I don't have any image right now. So I would go with this. This looks cute. And now I need to select any template. So I have four options: default, modern, classic, and minimal. I can select any one template from them. So let's go with modern, or okay, let's go with minimal. And next, now I need to select store language. So I will keep it English only. Store currency should be INR. Store time zone should be IST. Obviously, I can choose, I can select them. And there are two more options here: enable blogs and enable product reviews. So if I click on them, for example, if I click on enable blogs, the blog section would be visible in my website. And if I click on enable product review, then people can re- leave a review to the product in your website. So yeah. Now if I click on next, this will give me all the information. So let's confirm it. Okay, and now let's finish setup. It will take some time, and yes, our store is now ready. So as you can see, this is our dashboard. I have zero products, zero orders, and zero sales. So this is basically our dashboard now, and I can edit store if I wanted to. Now we will see store builder and marketplace, and now we have access to the inventory. So we will see this two. We will see these two things later. So basically, marketplace is basically where we can see all the stores of other users. And let's move to the inventory. Let's see inventory first. So I have turned on lights because it was getting dark outside. So anyway, so this is our inventory. So as you can see, I have total revenue of zero, total orders of zero, total 0% warehouse capacity, and zero stock alerts. So right now, I haven't added any products or warehouse right now. So this is my product page. This is order. This is warehouse, and this is stock. So first of all, we need to understand the product thing. I can add product from here. So let's add a product. As I so basically we were selling t-shirts in our websites, right? So let's create a t-shirt. So let's give it a name of printed t-shirt. Okay, now SKU, stock keeping unit. So basically it is like a unique identifier. So I will give it t-shirt one and a description. So this is a printed t-shirt, black, cotton, something like that. Now, next is I can also give tags here. Okay. So next is pricing. So first is price. How much does it cost? So let's give it 600 and cost per item. So basically this is like how much does it cost to me, right? The manufacturing cost. So for example, if I buy it for 400 and I'm selling it for 600, then it automatically will calculate the profit and margin, and I can now I just need to upload some image and the quantity. So how much stock is available for this? So let's go with 20 t-shirt is available right now. Main image. Let's give it an image. So I will give it this image. This looks good. And additional image, if I wanted to give any additional image, I can give that on also. Now let's create a product. Okay, so our product is successfully created. Now I can create a variant of this. So what is a variant? So basically product variant is a variant of that product. For example, it could be price, it could be color. So like for example, if this t-shirt is available in red color, so that could be a variant. So I don't want to add a variant right now. So let's get back to the dashboard. And now if I refresh here I can see a new product here. I can see its detail. So as I didn't added any variants, so it is not showing me any variant. I can add variants from here too. So yeah, all the information regarding the product, I can edit this product, I can delete this product. Now I need to create a warehouse. For now warehouse is important because where that product is physically present. So let's create a warehouse. Let's call it Digi Warehouse. A description. This is my main warehouse. A phone number, location. Now this is very important. So if, for example, if I type Indore here, it will automatically calculates the latitude and longitude, and this will help me in shipment. Like if I got an order, so our system will automatically calculates the best warehouse to fulfill that order, which takes minimum cost for shipment. The total capacity of that warehouse, let's keep it 1000 only. Initially should be 0, and let's create a warehouse. So now we have a warehouse. Now I need to move that product that I've created before this into this warehouse. So for this, I need to use this stock. Here I will select the warehouse and I will select the product, and I will how much quantity of that product I need to move to that warehouse. So for example, I will move 40. So let's stock n. So stock updated successfully. Now I can see warehouse. If I see in detail, I can see the 4% of the total capacity is used. I can see which product is present here, and I can also see the detail here, a, a brief detail. Now we have product, and now we have warehouse. Now let's go to our store. So as you can see, I have one product in my store now. So if I now we will check the store builder. So when I click on store builder, there is our store. This is our store. And as you can see, we have our product here that we just added. Now we need to modify this. Let's modify our store first because it is looking quite bad. So let's start with some color. The background color should be black. The secondary background color should be something like this. The text color should be white, and border color should be this. And let's not change the theme right now. Text color. So now let's save changes. And now this is our uh, this is our store. I can do more things in this. For example, I can give a banner text. So the banner text should be like we made we make the best t-shirts. A banner image. So for banner image, let's choose this. A logo image. So I already have a logo, so I don't want to change that because it is looking very cute. Footer text, logo image, and about. So let's add an about image. For about image, this looks good. This looks good. Which looks good for an about image? Okay, let's go with this. Right. Now let's click on save changes. It will take some time. Okay, so now our customization is saved. So as you can see, we have the about image, and if I click here on publish, let's first click on preview. So this is our store looking like right now. Quite good, right? We can change the color of the nav bar too because it looks very whitish. So let's change the color of nav bar. Navigation style. Navigation should be this. Text color should be white and save changes. So our nav bar color is now black. Now here, if I click on publish, it will publish our store. So anyone can see our store and anyone can order from our store. So if I click on publish and go on marketplace, see I can see our Digi store here. Here is it. There is our Digi store. So I can visit our store from here and I can see this product if I want. I can see the description and detail. I cannot order this because I'm the store owner. So let's go back. So yeah, we have successfully created our store. You can do a lot of customization here, like color branding, button style. You can style the you can style the buttons and typography, navigation style. Yeah, you can do all sort of changes in this. So yeah, we have successfully created our store. By the way, just one more quick thing. So if I go on inventory and if I go on product, and now I just wanted to add a product. I don't want to publish it in my store. I don't want people to see it in on the store. So when I am adding a product, there is a button published. So if I off this and then I add a product, it will not be visible in the store. It will not visible here. Okay, so yeah, this is also one of the thing that I've missed. Also, you can check how your store looks in different devices, and you can. Right now, there is only homepage. There is only homepage available to edit, and yeah. So this is our store looking like right now. Okay, so now let's see how someone can order the product that we have just created through our store. So for that, I need to log in from another account. So I will open another window. Uh, I'll just open this window. Wait a second. I hope this is visible now. Okay, so I need to sign in. So let's sign in from any user here. Let's sign in from this user. Okay, so I have successfully signed in from another logged in from another Chrome. So this is another user. This is another test user I have created before. So let's go to the marketplace and search our store. So this is the store that I have just created. Anyone can see this store because because we published it. So let's visit this store. Now this is the store and this is the product. Now I wanted to buy this. So if I click here and create on buy now, so it is now giving everything 600 and tax. So this tax basically this is hard coded 18% tax. So the total value of this t-shirt is 708. Now if I wanted to order this, I need to click on continue to shipping, and it will ask me for all the things like full name, address, city, state, postal code, country. So let's fill all of this thing and click on continue to payment. Now, I have integrated Stripe test mode in this. So all the payments that is going to happen in this would happen in test mode. It like there isn't any real money involved. So Stripe test mode, I'm using Stripe test mode. That's why I can just put a dummy card number here and I can order this. But if I wanted to scale this application, I can integrate a real payment gateway too. So let's add a dummy credit card number that I've copied. So I'm gonna paste it here. Now month, year, and CVC. And now I will click on complete purchase. It will open a Visa page, and now I need to click on complete. Here it is. It is a test page. Okay, so my order is placed successfully. So now if I go back and I click on the cart here I can see my all the orders, and I can see my recent order that I have ordered from DG store. Okay, now let's take a look how that order is looking in our inventory. So let's see the order. So when I click on inventory here and go to the orders, so here it is. Here is our one order. As you can see, printed T-shirt, 17 Sanchan Nagar. It also give me the address and everything. So currently the order status of this is pending, right? Now I can see the details of this order. Order status is pending. Phone number, shipping address, and all basically the whole detail. Now there is two option: accept offer or accept order and reject order. So let's accept this order. So now when I accepted this order, its status become accepted. Now there is again two option, and there is a new option now, assign inventory. So when I go to assign inventory, as you can see, the order is accepted, all the information of the product. Now here it is. So basically, this is showing me the location of my warehouse, where my warehouse is basically located, right? Now select warehouse. So basically now I need to assign an shipment, an inventories. So basically from where this order should be fulfilled. So the app is recommending me that Digi Warehouse is the closest warehouse to the delivery address because I'm just having one warehouse right now. If I have multiple warehouse, then it will also show the closest from them. So let's click on Digi Warehouse and let's create uh, basically let's confirm inventory assignment. And now, as you can see, the status is changed and now it's in progress. So now if I click on view detail and click on assign shipment, here I can assign a shipment to the product if I wanted to. Okay. Now, if I click on choose shipment methods, so this is basically coming from database, seed data. So let's choose any one of the shipment from here. So let's go with express shipment and click on assign shipping method. And now it automatically created a tracking information, basically a code. I can copy this for tracking the order and mark is shipped and continue. And now its status become completed. Okay. So this is how we can fulfill the order that is coming to our warehouse. Now our total order is one, and now our total item becomes 39 because uh, one one got ordered. So our total value become 39, right? So yeah, this is how you can fulfill the order through this through this WMS. Okay, so now let's go to the wholesale page. So this is the wholesale page. So this is basically for bulk trade. For example, someone wanted to sell 100 pack of t-shirt and someone wants to buy that. So this is for that. So this is the marketplace here. Here I can see all the product like men's cotton shirt pack of 500, pack of wooden bat sagwan and this. So I can see all the product data list here and you can see all the information that is available. And here it is 7 days and minimum is 100 units. So what does this mean basically? This is very interesting. Okay. So 7 days is basically in how many days the product got delivered, and the minimum, and this min means the minimum quantity or the minimum quantity of units you need to order. So here the minimum quantity of unit is 100. So if I wanted to order this, I need to order 100. I cannot order less than 100 units. Okay. This is the dashboard. So if I list a product here and someone buys it, so I can see all the like all the total earnings and total orders from this dashboard. This is my order and this is inquiry. Now, what is inquiry? I will tell you. Now, for example, let's buy a product. Okay, let's buy this. This looks good. Or let's buy this. Okay, let's buy this because we already opened this account in another Chrome. So that would be easy for, okay. So if I click on continue here, it is showing me 6 per unit. So basically, if I wanted to buy this dumbbell, I need to pay 6 rupees per unit, or you can replace that rupees with dollar if you wanted to make it more sense. So like whatever. If I click on continue here, it will throw me to this page. That is an inquiry page. So as you can see, I cannot directly order this because first I need to raise an inquiry. If you are satisfied with the price, you can just keep it here. The minimum quantity I want. So the minimum quantity that you can take is 122. So let's take 122 only. Requested per price. So $6, for example. If you don't want to purchase that for $6, you can just add any amount you want. For example, let's add 4, and it will automatically calculates how much you are saving and what would be the total value and any additional requirement that you want, and you can submit an inquiry. Okay. So as you can see, this inquiry is submitted successfully, and here you can see your inquiry here. So it is now pending. Now let's go to the other, let's go to the other page, or sorry, the other Chrome where that other user is logged in. So let me just, I hope it is visible. Let me just zoom in. Hmm. Okay. Now, if I click on wholesale and your inquiry and received inquiry, you can see this that I just raised. Um, it is raised by Digi user. It is demanding 122 units at 4 unit per price, and the total value would be this. And this is the round one of the negotiation. Now, if I want, I can just accept it, I can reject the offer, or I can counter offer. So I would say that no, 4 is just too less. I at least want 5 rupees or $5, and I can submit my offer. Okay, negotiation submitted successfully. Now let's go to the other account, other user's account. Let me just, okay. Now if I refresh this page, you will see this got updated to negotiation in progress. Now if I click on view detail, here you can see the counter offer of the seller, and this is the round two, that 5 per units for 122 units. And now I can reject offer, accept offer, counter offer, or delete inquiry. So let's accept this offer. So let's accept this offer. Yes, accept. Now offer is accepted. Now I have a confirm order button. So now finally I can order this. So if I click on confirm order, see, it is now 5 per unit. Otherwise, that thing was 6 per unit. But after negotiation, it is 5 per unit, and our bill got calculated on the basis of that. Now, again, I can provide a detailed requirement that I need this product before 1st April, something like that, and a shipping address. So let's go with any shipping address, that is 17. Okay, a delivery method, and now I need to fill my card detail. Again, I will use that the same card number, month, year, CVC, and pay and place order. Now again, it will open a test page for Visa. Here it is. Let's click on complete. Okay, order placed successfully. Now I will click on OK, and yeah, now it redirects me to the order page. Now, as you can see, right now it is pending. Right now, let's go to the other Chrome or the other logged in user. So let me just, okay. Now if I go to warehouse and if I go to dashboard, I can see this. This is this is the order that is placed by Digi user. Now if I click on view detail, I can still reject this order, obviously, because, for example, if something happened to my warehouse and I can't fulfill your request, then I can reject this order. But yeah, so now this is the order updates and management form. So, for example, now I can change the status of this order. Also, one more thing I wanted to show. So, if I click on this and go here to the to our first user, Digi user, and if I click on marketplace and this, here you can see a cancel order button and a track order and contact supply. So currently I cannot cancel currently I can cancel a order because it is pending. um the I For example, if I accidentally placed an order, so I can just cancel it. But if I change the status of this from pending to in progress and update it, and now I refresh this page. See, I cannot cancel this order now. I need to contact the supplier or the seller for the cancellation. Okay. Now, in this is the in progress, and here I can update. Here I can update the customer, like all t-shirt are printed successfully and etc. etc. thing. So currently I don't want to do that. Okay, let's do that. Something like that, and update. And an expected delivery date. Okay, so now our update is submitted. Now let's go to the first user. Okay, and if I click on your order, view detail, track order, I can see the order update. We will send it for shipping tomorrow. Okay, and now it is right now it is in progress. So now if I go to the another user, and if I click on, if I update the status to deliver and update this, the order is now updated to delivered. And now if I, like, for example, if I delivered an order, so I just need to upload a digital proof from here. So let's upload a digital proof. It could be anything. The digital proof should be like a receipt of shipment or something like that. So I need to paste a file URL right now here. So let's paste any URL for right now. So we send it for shipment. I will change it to upload a whole image or whole file letter. Now, if I click on submit delivery now, the delivery uploaded successfully. And now if I go to other user and click on track order, it says that product is the order progress, so it is delivered. Now here it is. This is not. I have this button here, collect product. Okay, so please review the delivery and accept if you have if you have received the order. So if you got this order, then only you have to accept the delivery. And here it will give you the warning: only accept the delivery if you received your product. The action cannot be undone. And if I click on yes, accept delivery, you have accepted the delivery. Okay, so now this order is completed. And if I click on here to the other user and I click on dashboard, see my order increased. Now I have three orders, right? And it got removed from pending, and it would added in completed. See, so yeah, that was the wholesale marketplace, and that's how two parties can buy and sell bulk products. So now let's go. Now let's see how I can create my own how I can list my own product. So if I click on list product here, there is a form. You just have to fill this form and create, and then your product will be available here for the in the marketplace basically. So yeah, this was all about the wholesale marketplace. Now let's see the last feature of our app, that is community. So this is the community landing page, and from here I can see all the posts. So here it is. I have some dummy post. I have created some dummy posts from previous accounts. So here, anyone tried influence marketing, worth it, how to reach to a larger audience. Here I can also upvote it or downvote it, like this, like this. Okay. Now here I can explore communities. So here are some communities like business, e-commerce, or e-commerce hustler. I can view the community. I can read the rules. I can create a post if I can create a post here I can join this community if I wanted to. And this is my community that I've joined. And if I created a post, it will be visible here. So if I wanted to create a community, I just need to go here. I need to fill this form, community name, community description, and your community would be ready. And if I wanted to create a post in a community, I just need to go to that community, create a post, and I can ask any question if I wanted to. For example, how I can make my templates more beautiful to attract a larger audience. Okay. Now I can write my content here if I wanted to post an image or link or preview. Like this is the preview. Like if I wanted to post any image, this will show how your post is looking like. So if I just wanted to, right now I don't wanted to post any images. So let's write a content only. My store looks pretty bad and I wanted it to looks good. Give me some suggestions how I can make it good. And if I click on post, see now I have one post, and if I click on your post, I can see this. Now I can I can comment on my post. Again, I can also comment on someone else's post. For example, see, I can create a comment here too. I have tried them. They are sometimes good, something like that, and I can comment. And one more feature is that if you let me just reload this. So here's my comment. I can also reply to anyone here. If I click on reply, as you can see, it got replied in a nesting way, like how YouTube and subreddit are. So this is a very interesting feature, and it took me a lot of time to make. I can go back here and yeah. So all posts I can. So in all posts I can see my post here too, and here. So first see the chat. First see the chat page. I can chat with anyone here. For example, let's open that first account first, our Digi user account, right? Now if I click on dashboard here or the marketplace, and if I click here, I can contact supplier here. So let's message him. Hello, thank you for the products. Their qualities are good. I have implemented WebSocket for this real-time communication. And if I click on chat, here it is. So I hope this is visible. Wait a second. Now, see anything if I type here, see it is the communication or it is taking place in real time because of WebSockets. Uh, so yeah, WebSockets are also there in my project. So yeah, so the WebSockets are also in the project. So it enables people to chat in real time. Now, obviously, the whole website is both in light mode and dark mode. So this is the light mode of the website. So this is the light mode of the website. I personally like dark mode more, but I think the website looks good in light mode too. Also, the website is 100% mobile responsive. Um, Also, there is a small chat with us button. So basically, this is our chat board. So if you type something here, it will reply to that. However, it is not very accurate right now, but I will do that in future. Also, I also wanted to cover more things like how, like functionality, like how this thing is happening, how customization is happening, and everything. But I think the video is already too long for that, and it deserves a separate video for it. However, I'm not gonna make that. Still, uh, so yeah, that is my major project, DigiBazar. Uh, I hope you like this. Thank you so much for watching the video if you're still watching, and have a nice day.